Coming from Delhi and coming to Calcutta, I can definitely say having a sweet tooth that sweets in Bengal definitely taste different. I was listening to the conversation of AI when we were talking about man and machine, and I was thinking about sweets from Bengal. On a serious note, I'll be making a presentation on Atmanirbhar and medical device industry. Atmanirbhar is making India self-reliant, and I'm going to talk about industry that is closely associated to all of us, which is a medical device industry. Now, medical device industry, as we talk, is highly dependent upon imports. There are challenges, and the challenges are when you have imports, uh, which are to the tune of about 80%. How do you make a company in a medical device industry a self-reliant industry? With this prelude, let me give you overview of this industry. Now, Indian medical device industry is estimated to be at about 11 billion US dollars, which is expected to grow at a rate of about 35% to be close to about $50 billion by 2025, which talks about the substantial size of the industry. The industry is also cluttered with lots of players, and this industry is at a cusp where we are going to follow the other industries like the pharma industries and the vaccines. We have seen in COVID that India was a self-reliant country and also helped the world during the crisis. Same is going to be true for the medical device industry. I'm going to talk about a company and take you through a journey where I'm going to present how this company became successful in this highly competitive industry in medical device. The company that I'm talking to you about is Involution Healthcare. This company was incepted about a decade and a half back by leading professionals who are very accomplished in the field of cardiology. All put together, they have experience of over 80 years. So a company that was started in 2010, and as rightfully the name says, evolution through innovation. And this company started to offer products into cardiac consumables and also into the cardiac devices. The company introduced drug-eluting stents, balloons, and so on and so forth. And also they have one of the premium cath labs by the name of Pinnacle and Premier, which have been launched in India in last couple of years. The composition of the company is called Involution Group of Companies. It has got two parts. One is the Involution Healthcare Private Limited. This company was founded by Ashwini Suthar. It was founded by Atul Sharma, Sachin Garg, and Gaurav Agarwal. This company started their operations in India by selling cardiac consumables, which is drug-eluting stents, balloons, and guide wires. And again, there was a company called IITPL, which is Innovation Imaging Technologies Private Limited, based out of Bangalore. This company had its own strength from an imaging company called VJ Technologies and Alpha Group, which is a company which manufactures first cath lab in Asia, in India, a couple of years back. All these companies coming put together, this is how the company was formed. This is the senior management of the organization. The group is headed by Mr. Gaurav Agarwal. He's the group managing director. He heads the complete Involution Healthcare's operation. And Sachin Suthar, who's a co-founder and director, is heading the manufacturing plants of drug-eluting stents, which is state-of-art plant in Jaipur. Atul Sharma and Sachin Garg are heading the operations of the Involution Group of companies. Involution Healthcare is one of the Asia's top awarded companies. I mean, if you talk about whether you talk about R&D or talk about innovation or you talk about the quality, whatever you talk about, this company we've been acknowledged with quite a few awards from both domestic and international bodies. Indian Medical Device Association has given us the award of the Indian Medical Device Company of the Year in 2020. Good Design Award from Ministry of Commerce from Japan. In design, we've got the award, which is the most prestigious award called Red Dot Award. I'll show a small film. Those of you who would appreciate that this award is given to the best design across the industries. We've also been acknowledged as top 25 innovative companies of India and R&D company of the year. This is a small video clip on red dot. I'll just show you um, the video here. So this is a Red Dot Award that we've got, and it really makes us feel very proud that this is the first company in medical device and cath lab who've got the Red Dot Award for design in the likes of Google and Ferrari, an Indian company in medical device industry. Um, I mean, look at the products that we have. I'm going to shift focus from the organization to the product portfolio that we have. We started commercializing our cath labs in 2017 when the company was incepted and started getting into cath lab business, imaging business. And within a year, we had our first cath lab, which was commissioned. And from there till today, we have been improvising and launching one model every year. So we have a range of cath labs starting from the Pinnacle to Pinnacle Pro to Pinnacle Agile. And now we've launched the top of the line Premier Elite cath labs. I'll just show you our latest offering to the market and talk about the premier range of products that we have. This is the latest offering that we have, the Premier portfolio, which has got Premier Select and Premier Elite. This is the most advanced cath lab. You've seen the features that we have. The Premier Elite has got 3 MHU liquid metal bearing X-ray tube, and it comes with a host of features and software. Without getting into the details, I'll move to the next slide to just show you the footprint that we have as an organization. We have over 250 cath lab installed in every nook and corner of the country. We have our presence across the state. We've also expanded our operations outside of India, and we have now distribution or the representative office in Asia, and we started our operations in Europe recently as well. We have, as of now, sold over 300 cath labs, all put together, and there are about 1,400 hospitals, private, government put together, with whom we partner. We have a strong distribution network of about 100 plus distributors span across 19 states and 149 cities. R&D is one of the core of the organization. We believe that innovation has to be the hallmark, how the future of cath lab or cardiology is going to shape. So we are investing quite a lot, hiring people from the reputed prestigious institutions to work with us on the latest, on the new features that we could bring to the segment. We are currently working on live QCA, dynamic coronary roadmap, virtual FFR, 3D remote rendering of entire coronary tree, tele echocardiography, and drug-eluting balloons. I'll just show a small testimony of one of the customers where we had actually sold our cath lab, and this would talk about the quality and the features that we offer in our product.
Yeah, we are very happy to have this Premier Cath Lab installed at Deviecs Satellite Center at KC General Hospital, Malleshwaram, Bangalore. And today we did 2 cases with this Premier Cath Lab system. Resolution is good. Even the everything, gantry moment, the image intensifier, the moment is very good. So it almost simulates like any other high-end cath lab. So I think this is the way we go forward, because India needs at this point of time probably around going by the size of the population and also going by the burden of the cardiovascular disease in India, we might be requiring around 6,000 to 7,000 cardiac cath labs. At this point of time, we have around 2,200 cardiac cath labs. So definitely mid-sized, I mean tier 2 or tier C, tier 3 cities, this system fits in. And because we know that the treatment of heart attack is time driven, for every 30 minutes of delay, the risk of death increases by 7%. So definitely we should have more and more cath labs even in tier 2, tier 3 cities. Now cardiologists are also quite available now, because a large number of seats are being given to many medical colleges. So definitely, I'm very happy and satisfied with the IITPL Premier Cath Lab system. So I think this is the way we should go forward. Anyway, congratulations to the IITPL management and all of you for making Make in India project dream come true. All the best.
So this is Make in India for the world. After having our operations in India, now we are looking towards getting out of India, taking our product to the international market, and that's the one of the milestones that we are working on. As a company, our vision is to be India's most integrated cardiac care company. We recently participated in Europe PCR. This was the first time any company, forget about Indian company, any company which has taken a live cath lab to a Europe PCR, and it was an Indian company, Involution Healthcare. We are working on R&D, which I've talked about, and also dynamic coronary roadmap and Deviecs suite. So this is the future roadmap that we are investing on as an organization, and we look forward for your continued support. Thank you so much. Thank you.